Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next video listen to me, about acronyms and abbreviations, more on Philippine government agencies. I would like to inform to the viewers that there are some acronyms I will include in the previous or past. uh, what will happen will be from previous, present, then until the future, because it depends on the Philippine leaders who will be the next leaders, or they might change acronyms. So I just wrap it up and summarize it because it will change from time to time. So the answer is yes. Subject will be changed without prior notice. So it will happen like this. Ganyan talaga mangyari. Okay, the title of this video is about acronyms or abbreviations in all Philippine government agencies. Okay? Okay, let's begin. What's the meaning of DOH? The answer is Department of Health. I'll repeat. DOH means Department of Health. Next is DBM. DBM means Department of Budget and Management. By the way, DBM has umbrella. That is COA, COA. By the way, COA means Commission on Audit. Commission on Audit. Okay. Next is this one. You need to be vigilant on this. DOF means Department of Finance. DOF means Department of Finance. Okay, listen carefully. This Department of Finance is has also umbrella. It's also government agencies. Listen carefully. Department of Finance has its own umbrellas. Umbrellas, there are many. Not only one, there are many. Who are they? Department of Finance is under BIR. BIR means Bureau of Internal Revenue. I repeat, Bureau of Internal Revenue. BOC. BOC means Bureau of Customs. Bureau of Customs, BOC. Okay? So, kailangan konting ingat kasi kung magkamali kayo, ayan. Yan ang dahilan kaya ko nilagyan ng acronyms and abbreviations of Philippine government agencies. Kasi what if kung yung pala kapareho sa private, di nakaloko-loko na. Oh, so okay. Okay, next is DICT. Okay, what do I mean by this? DICT means Department of Information, Communications, and Technology. I'll repeat. DICT means Department of Information, Communications, and Technology. Yung information, communication, and technology. Yan ang meaning DICT. Okay? DOJ. Okay. DOJ means Department of Justice. I repeat. DOJ means Department of Justice. Okay, listen carefully. May umbrella na naman. Okay. DOJ is, we all know na ito ay judiciary branch. Judiciary branch. Okay, sino ito mga judiciary branch? Okay. SC means Supreme Court. Yan yung known as here Supreme Court of the Philippines. Supreme Court of the Philippines. Okay. So, ito siya, meron pa yan, what you call this, may kuwan pa yan, maraming, what you call this, maraming sanga-sanga yan. In each court, meron pa yung tinatawag na RTC at MTCC. Okay? What do I mean RTC? RTC means Regional Trial Court. Yes, Regional Trial Court. Meaning, that court is recognized under Supreme Court kasi it's more on judiciary. MTCC is Municipal Trial Court, MTC. Sorry, it's not MTCC, MTC, Municipal Trial Court. Okay. Next is DPWH. DPWH means Department of Public Works and Highways. I repeat, DPWH means Department of Public Works and Highways. Okay. Next is DMW. Okay, what do I mean by this? Department of Migrant Workers. I'll repeat, Department of Migrant Workers. Okay. So, is this related to DFA? The answer is before. It was under DFA or Department of Foreign Affairs. I'll repeat, DFA means Department of Foreign Affairs. Right now, there are two separate agencies already. DFA and DMW are already separated. By the way, if you heard POEA, is that a government agency? Yes, it's called Philippine Overseas Employment Agency. I repeat, POEA means Philippine Overseas Employment Agency. Okay? By the way, POEA is under DMW as of 2025. So it's already Department of Migrant Workers. Okay. DA means Department of Agriculture. I repeat, DA means Department of Agriculture. So that's it. What else? NPC. NPC means National Privacy Commission. I repeat, NPC means National Privacy Commission. Okay, so that's it. Next. AFP. Okay, AFP means Armed Forces of the Philippines. Armed Forces of the Philippines. Okay, that Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, has many umbrellas also. Who are they? PA means Philippine Army. PA means Philippine Army. Next is PN. PN means Philippine Navy. Philippine Navy. Philippine Navy has also umbrella. Who is this? It's PCG. PCG means Philippine Coast Guard. PCG means Philippine Coast Guard. Okay? PM means Philippine Marines. I repeat, PM means Philippine Marines. Okay? Next is PAF. PAF. Okay, PAF means Philippine Air Force. I repeat, Philippine Air Force. That's the meaning of PAF. Okay, so Armed Forces of the Philippines. If you heard this acronym DND, okay, what do I mean by this? Department of National Defense. I repeat, DND means Department of Defense. Okay. BSP. Okay. BSP means Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. I repeat, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. PDIC. PDIC means Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. I repeat, PDIC means Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. Okay. So, you need to review this all abbreviations and acronyms in all Philippine government agencies because there are so many. There are so many umbrellas. There are so many departments. So you need to familiarize all of this. There's another one, DILG. Okay, DILG means Department of Interior and Local Government. I repeat, Department of Interior and Local Government. These are the government agencies handling cities and municipalities all over Philippines. I repeat, they are referring to cities and municipalities, whatever provinces all over Philippines. That's DILG. DPWH means Department of Public Works and Highways. I'll repeat. DPWH means Department of Public Works and Highways. DOLE. DOLE is DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment. I'll repeat. DOLE means Department of Labor and Employment. Okay? Next is NFA. NFA means National Food Authority. I repeat. NFA means National Food Authority. NIA. NIA means National Irrigation Administration. I repeat. NIA means National Irrigation Administration. NIA. Okay? Um, DOE. Okay, DOE means Department of Energy. I repeat. Uh, DOE means Department of Energy. Okay, next is ERB. ERB means Energy Regulatory Board. I'll repeat. ERB means Energy Regulatory Board. Okay. ERC means Energy Regulatory Commission. I repeat. ERC means Energy Regulatory Commission. That is ERC. PAOCC. Oh, correct. PAOCC. What does it mean? It means Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. I repeat. PAOCC means Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. Okay? PNP. What's the meaning of PNP? Philippine National Police. I repeat. PNP means Philippine National Police. NBI. What is NBI? NBI means National Bureau of Investigation. I repeat. NBI means National Bureau of Investigation. That's it. So I think I mentioned all the government agencies. There are so many of them. It's good that I already memorize and familiarize also. So that's the only best that I can mention. If in case you are asking, BFAR means Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. I repeat, BFAR means Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. BPI is in the government agency, it means Bureau of Plant Industry. I repeat, Bureau of Plant and Industry, BPI, under the umbrella of Department of Agriculture. Yes, Department of Agriculture. That's it. COMELEC. That's the most common for those who are Filipino candidates who are running for candidacy in Philippine politics. COMELEC means Commission on Election. I repeat, COMELEC means Commission on Elections. So that's it. What else? PHIC. PHIC means Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. I repeat, PHIC means Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. Next is SSS. SSS means Social Security System. I repeat, SSS means Social Security System. Next is GSIS. What's the meaning of GSIS? It means Government Service Insurance System. I repeat, GSIS means Government Service Insurance System. So that's it. DepEd. DepEd means Department of Education. That is the former DECS, the DECS. That is before it was called Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. So that's it. Right now it is called DepEd, DEPED, Department of Education, as of 2025. Next is DOTR. Okay, what's the meaning of DOTR? DOTR means Department of Transportation. DOTR means Department of Transportation. LTO. LTO means Register of LTO means Land Transportation Office. LTO means Land Transportation Office under the umbrella of Department of Transportation. Okay? So, what else? There's so many. Um, okay, that's it for the meantime. Don't you worry if in case I did not mention, you can place it here in the comment, then I can answer it. But be specified the Philippine government agencies, abbreviations, or acronyms. Oh, by the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe in my video. And of course, click the notification bell for my next abbreviations and acronyms on this video. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And there will be more videos to come when it comes to acronyms and abbreviations. And another thing before I say goodbye, I also will place an hashtags in this description. I mentioned there abbreviations, acronyms in this description. Then hiwalay pa yung hindi hashtags. Okay? So, don't you worry, marami pa akong videos lalabas. By the way, reminder, I'm not competing with other YouTubers. No, hindi ako nakikipag-compete. Ang akin lang is yung mga tamang information. Okay? Thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.